Good morning, Christine here from Straight Uphill Garden Solutions. We're going to trim this hedge today. As you can see, it's a Murraya hedge. Murraya hedges are really popular in this area because they're fast growing and they always look lush and green. The problem is though, because they're fast growing, they're high maintenance. So we kind of think the best way to look after your Murraya hedge is probably to be looking at hedging in summer, maybe once a month. In winter, once every 2 months is fine. A few things that we're going to do here is we're going to take the top right down, because you can see if you look at the Murraya hedge that there is tall leafy growth where we really want it to be denser. So we're going to trim all of the sides so that the growth comes back. Bring the top right down level so it's consistent, and then we'll look at keeping on top of this Murraya hedge maybe once every 2 months through winter, and then a little bit more in summer. So we're going to show you how we do it. We've got a few little tips like we always like to do underneath the hedge to raise it from the ground, and we also like to do a lovely chamfered edge on the side, which helps with regrowth and looks really good too. We couldn't live without our extra long handled hedger. We've got 3 hedges, the small one, the medium sized one and the extra long one, and this makes life so much easier when you're trimming the top of hedges. So we're going to do a chamfered edge here on this hedge, which just softens the side of it. We're not really going for a formal straight hedge here. We just want it to be kind of consistent and even. So just by shaving off a 45-degree angle off the top, it softens it, but it also stops the tall regrowth, which makes it look a bit unusual. And this is the result. For more tips and inspiration, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or see the links below and visit our Instagram, Facebook and website.